You need to watch this if you always sneeze in bright sunlight. Seriously, it's not just you. Let's crack the sun sneeze mystery. There's actually a name for this weird thing. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. Basically, when you look at bright light like sunlight, your brain gets its wires a bit crossed. The nerves that tell your eyes to squint are right next to the nerves that make you sneeze. So sometimes when sunlight hits your eyes, your brain accidentally sends the sneeze signal. It's like your brain's playing a prank on you. About 1 in 3 people have this superpower. Scientists aren't totally sure why it happens, but it might be something you inherit from your parents. So next time you sneeze in the sunshine, just remember it's not allergies, you're just wired for sun sneezing. Ever had this happen? Follow Quirklight for more surprising science.